ஹாய் நீட் ஆஸ்பிரண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி. வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. விஷ் யூ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட்.
My name is Mahanandi. I am a physics faculty. Now I am explaining about of the oscillations. What is the explanation of the oscillations? Means if your oscillation is the one of the branch of science in physics, oscillation is explaining at the if you, any one particle is motion time, what happen? Means if you, any one of the particle is comes back it with the same interval of time is called a periodic motion. Means one body is coming once go to upside means or after coming once back return time means same equal interval of time taken, that is called a periodic motion. But what is the oscillatory motion? Means the oscillatory motion of the particles is the particles is comes back and far, both having time is called a oscillatory motion. But what is the difference between of the periodic motion and oscillatory motion? Means each oscillatory motion is a periodic motion, but periodic motion is not a oscillatory motion, may or may not be the oscillatory motion of periodic. These are the periodic. But if you, any particle is continuously moving going on means once oscillated finish na, if you oscillated time what happen? Means if your oscillation time, best example of the veena, if you that veena is one string wire is connected at the two ends, if you once pulling of the or touched of the string na, the string is vibrations is released. These vibrations also is oscillations. But simple harmonic motion, if you continuously oscillation going on time, the process of the amplitude is explaining of the simple harmonic motion. If your oscillations continuously going on time, how much the amplitude having? Means each oscillation time different of the amplitude is possibility, but amplitude having. But what happened, the each oscillation of the displacement, how much velocity, how much time period, and normally how much acceleration is maintained. If you simple harmonic motion, if you at any one particle is continuously oscillate, this is the mean position place, mean position to oscillated of the particle, this is extreme position, here also extreme position. If your particle is continuously oscillated time, the particle of the acceleration is towards of the center of base point having, means that time the acceleration is continuously vary, the displacement of the particles also is continuously vary, means the acceleration is directly proportional to the minus x. Minus is indicated of the comes with the back, means a equal to acceleration proportionality constant is the minus kx is considered. After acceleration is equal to d square x by dt square is equal to minus kx. If you minus kx is converted to the left side, means d square x by dt square equal to the plus kx equal to the 0. These are the explanation of the effect. Particle is oscillations going on time. But if your particle oscillation time, how much displacement having, how much velocity, how much acceleration, now we will discuss. Now if at any one of the particle is moving in a circular path, after that time the amplitude is equal to the radius of the circular path base consider. This is the amplitude and is equal to the radius r, but this particle is continuously rotating time. At any point I will choose here, particle is reached at here point. This origin to at particle of the amplitude also a having, but some angle is displacement. This angle of angular displacement theta, but here point at P considered. If you exactly imagine of the vertical here means here same y axis of the base, this displacement is y, but equilater opposite angle also is theta considered. Here same of the equal of distances y having, but now here what is the angular displacement? Particle initial to some extreme position is continuously moving means this is the theta equal to omega t. Angular displacement is equal to angular velocity into time. If you theta having means what is the angular displacement, what is the y of the displacement, and what is the velocity and what is the acceleration of particles. Now angular displacement theta equal to omega t, but now I need the velocity. I need velocity. First we need the displacement. How much displacement of the particle reaching from the extreme position, mean position to extreme position means y I need. Y want now first here theta having means sine triangle OPQ sin theta is equal to opposite by hypothesis. Opposite means y by hypothesis is a. Y equal to a sin theta. Now y is the displacement of the particle reaching, displacement y equal to a is the amplitude a sin theta means omega tt. These are the displacement. If you displacement having means next what is the velocities of the particle? Velocity general formula v equal to dy by dt. Now here v equal to d by dt, y means a sin omega t, v equal here sin omega t differentiation of with time na omega cos omega t. A common outside omega, here sin omega t differentiation means cos omega. Now v equal to a omega cos omega t having, but generally sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Square is converted to right side means root cos theta equal to root of 1 minus sin square theta. Now this cos theta, theta means omega t, cos omega t is equal to root of 1 minus sin square omega. Cos omega t is equal to root of 1 minus sin square omega t. Here velocity a omega cos omega t replaced by substitution of root of 1 minus sin square omega t. V equal to a omega root of 1 minus sin square omega t. Here sin omega t is the displacement, means displacement y equal to a sin omega t. Sin omega t means y by a. Sin square omega t means y by a whole square. V equal to a omega 1 minus y square by a square root. V equal to a omega a square minus y square by a square LCM. Here denominator root a square means a is coming outside. V equal to a omega by a into a square minus y square. Here a cancel. V equal to omega root of a square minus y square. If you suppose particle is at mean position having, here only having means no vertical of the displacement, that time if y equal to 0 mean position 0 consider now, remaining root of a square means a only is coming, a into omega, a omega. V is equal to a omega, this is plus or minus a omega means maximum. If y equal to a, if your particle is at reach the maximum highest position, y equal to a having means extreme position time. Y equal to a, consider the velocity equal to 0, v equal to 0, this is the minimum velocity. These are the explanation of if a particle or oscillated time, the velocity and displacement. Displacement equal to y equal to a sin omega t. Velocity is equal to v equal to a omega cos omega t. After doing everything calculation, v equal to omega root of a square minus y square. If you mean position means a omega, extreme position means 0 of the velocity. After how much the acceleration having the particles. Now acceleration a equal to dv by dt, v equal to a omega cos omega t having. Now substitution there, a equal to d by dt into a omega cos omega t, means here a omega is the constant term outside, a equal to a omega is constant. Now here differentiation of the cos omega t means minus omega sin omega t. Here plus into minus, minus a equal to minus a into omega, omega square sin omega t. But acceleration a equal to minus omega square a sin omega t, a sin omega t. We know displacement y equal to a sin omega t. Now substitution there, acceleration a equal to minus omega square y. If you suppose mean position, if y equal to 0 mean position, a equal to 0 into something 0, acceleration is 0 at mean position. If y equal to a, if y equal to plus or minus a, extreme position. Now y is replaced plus or minus a means acceleration is equal to plus or minus omega square y. If you suppose a equal to y equal to plus a, consider now, here automatically that is coming to the minus omega square y. Here acceleration is minimum at mean position. Acceleration is at maximum at extreme position. Here these are the explanation of the, if you at any particle continuously oscillatory going on time, what happen, the displacement means displacement is equal to y equal to a sin omega t, but velocity equal to v equal to a omega cos omega t. After mean position cos omega t, after differentiation also we have find out the omega root of a square minus y square after a omega of the velocity is coming, but acceleration want to know the acceleration equal to change of the velocity by time, acceleration differentiation after continuously a equal to minus omega square y. It means mean position of the acceleration is 0, extreme position of the acceleration is maximum having. These are the explanation of if at any one of the particle or body or oscillations going on time, velocity and displacement and accelerations. Now particle is continuously moving in a path oscillations means that time if you any phase angle how to changes, now we will discuss. If you phase angle time, same as it is at the origin position, this is the amplitude of the radius is equal to the, but particle is starting at some point here to at extreme position at some point q. These of the distance, sorry, these of the angle is phi, this angle of the is theta, but vertically of the this distance is y, same radius of the amplitude a, but if your particle is continuously angularly means angular displacement theta equal to omega t, if you continuously going on time, here equilateral opposite angle is theta minus phi. If you now here angular displacement already we know theta equal to omega t. Now how much particle is reached at q point to displacement means y equal to, I need y means displacement 1. Now here angle is theta minus phi, triangle OQM based means sin theta minus phi equal to sin theta opposite by opposite is y, hypothesis is a means y by a, y equal to a sin theta minus phi. Now here y equal to a sin theta equal to is the omega t minus phi. These are the phi is the phase angle. If you phase angle of the wave is a representation, if you generally normally y theta equal to omega t at origin position is forming, this is y equal to a sin omega t is forming. Here exactly half of means pi by 2 pi, here 3 pi by 2, here 2 pi. These are the oscillations of the going on, but if you any phase angle is entered means now the phase is the sum of the negative having means immediately we have considered to not at origin position. Theta equal to omega t, here origin, but this displacement of the y, but exactly this is pi by 2 pi, 3 pi by 2 2 pi, but here sum of the angle base of the particle is started. If you suppose 45-degree places means pi by 4 place is particle is starting means this is the representation. If you phase angle entered means moving of the particle of oscillations. If you suppose particle at inside of the having here Q, here P, this is phi, this is theta, same y axis y, equilateral opposite angle is theta plus phi. Now here omega equal to t. If you now here say triangle OQM based sin theta means theta plus phi is equal to the here of the amplitude also a y by a, y equal to a sin theta plus phi. Theta is equal to the omega t means y is equal to a sin omega t plus phi. If at any particle of the phase angle is add means that particle is before the origin of started. If your particle is continuously moving means y equal to a sin omega t plus or minus phi. If you any phase angle is entered, that is positive phase angle or negative phase angle. If your negative phase angle is representation, if your positive phase angle is representation. Here y is the displacement, a is the amplitude, phi is the phase angle. These are the explanation at the if at any particles is oscillation time, displacement, velocity, acceleration. If your oscillations also, that is also if any phase angle, positive phase angle or negative phase angle having means these are the explanation of oscillations. Thank you for watching this video.